Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking. Well, today we're going to be making hot pepper jelly. Now I know that seems a little bit past the season, but for me it's not, and you know, because I just buy my peppers at the grocery store anyway. And I'm out and I've got some things coming up and I really need it, so I thought, well, I'll go ahead and make it. Then I thought, well, I'll go ahead and do a video on it. So that's why we're here today. I started off with 6 peppers. I'm going to make it. I just cut them off up and try to, you know, use as much as you can. And I take the white out. Of course, the seeds. And cut them up a little bit. I hope you love hot pepper jelly. It's so good and everything. It's so good on, you know the little hands you get in the deli? Honey, put this on one of them. Pork chops, pork loins. Because it's not one of those really hot things that you just have to, the children have to run for escape. This is not hot. It's got that little heat in it, but it's a not hot thing. And it's just perfect. And the flavor is outstanding. At least I think it is. But I know you can buy it in the store. Surely you can. I never have because I like this. And also it makes a nice gift to give people if, you know, they have a birthday. Put a big bow on it. You got your nice gift. And if I'm telling you, this is easy. There's 3 things. You've got your peppers, your sugar, and your sugar gel. That's it. Well, I call it sugar gel. My mother did. It's at Sure Gel or pectin. Okay. Now that's 6 peppers, and I have 3 jalapeno peppers, and I take the seeds out because I want the flavor and not necessarily the heat. I'll drop a few at a time in there. I had rubber gloves on when I did the seeding of hot peppers, so have no fear. Oh, I did forget something. It's the vinegar. Yeah, you've got to have your vinegar. My problem is when I buy red peppers, I use them before I get to my pepper. I've been trying to do this for 3 weeks. This is typical of what I would do. Okay. Let's see what we can do about that. Oh, shoot. I was going to get me a... Never have enough hands. You really don't have to separate them if you don't want to. I just have to do it that way. I've got my canning lids on the stove, and I just brought them to a bowl and cut them off so that they're sterile. I've washed them all anyway. I have my jars in the oven on 200. That's just a good way to keep them. Well, we're back, and see, I've already got all the peppers browned. So, next thing to do, just put them in your pot, like that. Wait for them to start boiling. That's truly the only thing you have to wait for is for it to boil. And once you get your peppers in there, too bad you can't leave them. For this, it takes about 3 to 5 minutes. You know, when you have this many peppers in here, I had 6 peppers and I put 3 jalapenos with the seeds out. You don't smell the jalapenos, or it would, with the vinegar, you would just die, make you cough and everything. But now, when it's got the peppers in it, it doesn't. You may hear me coughing in a minute, so far it hasn't. My aunt used to make this for my daddy. I guess it's where we first started eating it. I'll tell you something else good is to take a Ritz cracker and a little bit of cream cheese and the jelly on top of this. That's all you want. No better than that. And you don't have to be real precise on your peppers. You may have 6 or 8. That's okay. I mean, you don't want to go, certainly don't want to go 12, 15 like that. But if you have small peppers, you might want to, you know, use 2 at a time. There's no real precise amount. If it is, I never saw it. I usually use from 6 to 8 peppers, and they're pretty good sized peppers, and 3 jalapenos with the seeds out. Makes a perfect solution. I mean, mixture for me. Okay. Okay. We got one going. Now, I know it seems like awful, but you know, when you're making jelly, it's 5 cups of sugar. And it sucks it up quickly. And then you add the sugar gel and for a minute and it's through. And we'll get the jars and things out. Well, I think we've got a running boil finally. And this is the last step. Is the sugar gel. I mean, sugar gel. I don't know why I did that. It'll come to a boil, and then 1 minute, and we're ready to put it in the jars. Okay, let's start filling up our jars, and let's see what it looks like. This is an old jar for here. Now, when you use sugar gel and high temperatures, You don't have to give your whatever you're cooking water bath. So when you get through with one, I just wipe it off, tighten it, turn it upside down. It's very easy. Very, very easy. You see what color it is? Actually, it's a prettier color than that when it cools. Well, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I usually get 6, so the peppers must have been just a little bit bigger, and also enough for the cook. That's to die for. I'm telling you, that is the best stuff. Isn't it funny how pork chops? Oh, this is so good on pork chops. Anyway, I have you try this because I'm telling you, it's something different. See how pretty it is? It's a pretty gift. It's very cheap to make. Only thing you need is your sugar, gel, your vinegar, well, sugar, no, but it's wonderful. And well, it's been a good day for me. It's something I love. And remember the joy this week. There's so many people with this COVID, and so many people that are suffering. Take time to think about them and pray for them. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.